Sanibona, ngiyathemba niyaphila. So on our previous lesson, bengikupha i-introductory video to wonke ama-functions ethu yabo. Ngakutshengisa zonke iy'nhlobo zama-functions esingawathola kanjalo kanjalo yabo. Okay. So manje-ke I want to introduce you to sketching. Sesiyaqala-ke siya-sketch ama-graph ethu. So soqala nge-sketching se-parabola. Let's say for example you're given go to f of x will equal to x squared that's equal to 1 x squared plus 3x plus 2 yabo. So you are given le function le masekuthiwa sketch a function. Okay, now ama steps akho la for sketching. So I create a manje. Steps sokuqala is find the intercepts. Ama intercepts yila igraph yakho ezo intercepta khona ngiyabo. Okay, so siqale nge x intercept. X intercept ke x intercept you let y equal to 0 yabo. Should la ngizothini angithi uyazi ukuthi lo kuyinto eyodwa no y. So ngizothi y, okay, should y equals x squared plus 3x plus 2 angithi yabo. So ngizothi 0 equals x squared plus 3x plus 2. Oh, okay, sengine quadratic la. Ziningi indlela zokwenza i-quadratic. Ngizosebenzisa le yokuhlukanisa ama-bracket, yona izoba simple yabo. So ngizothini ngihlukanisa la, ngizothi x 2 1 positive. Yazi khona abantu nginake kwama-class ami khona abantu abangakwazi yazi ukuhlukanisa lo afane nalo. Guys, it's very simple yabo. If uno x squared plus 3x plus 2 ufuna inumber ama-factors kalo engizothi uma ngiwa times noma lo ngizothi uma sengiwa add angikhiphele lo yabo. Like ama-factors ka2 ngino 2 times 1 yabo. U2 times 1 mafa ngim-add kuzoba u2 plus 1 okwenza bani u3 of which ile number le yabo. Shuthi ngiyazi ukuthi u2 no 1 wena ama-factors engizowafaka la ngithi yabo. Ngizokwenza yafuna ama example ayo lento ngiqeda uyichaza. So sengiza la ngiyazi ukuthi x plus 1 must equal to 0. Shuthi x uzoba negative 1 or x plus 2 will equal to 0. Shuthi x uzoba negative 2 yabo. Okay, uma senginalaba ke shuthi sengiqedile ngeni ngama ama x intercepts lawo. Sengifunani mina ke y intercept. For y intercept you let x equal to 0. Khona into uzoyibona njengamanje. Angithi siyazi ukuthi la y equals x squared plus 3x plus 2. Shuthi y will equal to u0 squared plus 3 times 0 plus 2. Shuthi y wakho uzoba bani u2. Lani yini engiqeda ukuvezela yona la i-constant term wonke ama-parabola. Angithi le form le bakunikeze ngale form with y equals x squared plus bx plus c general form. I-constant term yohlezi yini y intercept always constant term y intercept ngithi yabo. Shuthi ngiqedile ngani i-steps sokuqala ama-intercepts yabo. Steps sesibili, if given le form le you need to find turning point. So ngithe indlela esithola ngayo ke turning point la shuthi ngiqedile ngani nge-steps sokuqala. Steps sokuqala lesi. Steps sesibili, find turning point. So i-x value ye turning point will be negative b all over 2a uyabo. Should lento leyo nginika bani it's negative. U b wami kwi function yangu b la ubani u3 should it's -3 all over 2. A ubani u1 because ayikho inumber la, should vele it's understood as u1. 2 times 1 -3 should lo kuzoba u-3 all over 2. Ngithi yabo mangam uyafana nobani -1,5 -3 over 2. So uma usuyitholile, angithi la usuthole i-x value, ukuze sithole i-y value sekumele senze njani ke? Si-substitute leli point leli esikhaleni sa-x, uyabo? So leli point leli uma sili-substitute laphana esikhaleni sa-x, should sekuzobani ke manje? U-y wami will equal to -3 over 2 all squared plus 3 times 3 all over 2 plus 2, yabo? So yonke lento lena vele sekunjani? Sekuyinto songayifaki ngisho kwi-calculator, yabo? Yazi I don't have a calculator with me okwamanje, sibone ukuthi ngayishayani ngekhanda. Okay, negative lo ngofaka i-calculator uzoba u9 all over 4 plus la bakhanselane plus 1 over 2 plus 2. Okay, 4 plus 2. Hayi ngeke asifake calculator. Okay, let me just pull up a calculator la eduze. All right, so forget we ever did yonke lento le. So mufaka calculator le value yakho -3 all over 2 all squared plus 3 oval brackets times 3. Okay, la bengenza mistake encanyana. It was actually it was gonna be 3 times -3 over 2. Okay, so yeah, times along with -3 all over 2 valley bracket plus 2, which equals, should y wako equals -1 all over 4. Should i-turning point yakho yubani? It's -3 all over 2 -1 all over 4. Very simple. Okay, lo mangimveza ngedecimal kahle u-0.25, yabo? Okay, ngoba sengiqedile manje senginama intercepts, senginayo ini i-turning point, sengingasketcha ke. Fika la ngiyodweba ama-axes ami. Alright, x-axis le, y-axis le, kanjalo kanjalo. Okay, so nginayo ukuthi ngifaka ama-points ami la. Ngine x-intercept, i-point le-x-intercept ngine -1 na -2, ngine -1 and 0, ngine -2 and 0. And then i-turning point yami is -3 all over 2 and -1 all over 4. Ngiyabo vele ke ilokhuzane i-y intercept bizobu 0 and +2. So sengizalana 1 2 3 4 Yeah, could be a little bit neater because when uzobukala nge-rule, always use a scale, right? Okay, so ama-x-intercept nginobani? Ngino negative 1 and 0, ngino negative 2, negative 2. Izoba yimbi le graph. Okay, turning point ngino negative 1,5 uzoba la, then y is negative 0,25 ish. It's gonna be somewhere here. Le value le negative 1 all over 4 lo, and then lo engiqeda kumveza la noma ngiveze ezi point negative 3 all over 2 to 1 all over 4 le point lelo. So once you have 3 dots usunga join. Oh nice. Ngishoda nge-y-intercepts ukuthi la leli point la 0 2, leli it was negative 1 and 0, leli negative 2 and 0, leli negative 1 and 0. Yeah, so once sengihlanganisa wonke ama-dots ami igraph yami ima kanje. And these are the steps guys. Ayikho mhlampe enye into entsha ongayenza ngisho igraph yakhe ngama kanjani. If you are given le form le nge-general form iyona ndlela leya. Steps sokuqala is find the intercepts, then shoot x-intercept ne-y-intercepts le. Avele futhi nje ngoba phela ngiyanazi nibuye nibe nento zenu ngabhale wonke nje lama steps lawo. Vele ngithini? Find x-intercepts, find y-intercepts, find turning point, and then you sketch. Steps sokuqala was find x-intercept, steps sesibili find y-intercepts, steps sesithathu find the turning point, and then step esilandelayo is to find ini then you sketch. Yeah, so another form we were given, sitheni unikezwa igraph yakho kanje. Bekutshela ukuthi f of x will equal to 3 x minus 2 x plus 1. Iyiphi le form le? Mukuthi usakhumbula kahle le form yama x-intercepts. Intiyabo? Le form ka yama x-intercepts. So shuthi okay, ngowe step sokuqala usuwatholile ama-intercepts akho same time. Intiyabo? Sengiyayazi le x-intercept, sengiyayazi nale x-intercept. Yabo? Awobala ama x-intercepts lawo. It's gonna be 2 excuse 2 and 0. Eyesibili negative 1 and 0. Uyawashintsha lama sign, the sign lawo ala ngaphambili uyawashintsha. Okay, shooting nama x-intercepts. Y-intercepts anginawo. Yabo? X-intercepts okay, nginawo ama x-intercepts. Y-intercepts angabi nawo. Shape your graph yakhe izoma kanjani la? A is greater than 0. Ngiyabo? Shuthu A wakho njengoba A greater than 0, wazini wena ngegraph eno A which is greater than 0 izoba ne smiley face. Maybe smiley face. Ayintiyabo? Shuthi senhlambe nginento kanje yabo ku graph yami. Shuthi nginawo ini ama intercepts, x intercepts. Ngishoda ngani? Sengingashoda nge y intercepts kanye nani? Turning point. Kodwa into ebalekile kakhulu engishoda ngayo is the turning point. So I'll show you just now ukuthi shuthi ke siqhubeka kanjani. Okay, so ayensi like siyabona la guys ukuthi vele okay, we're given ama intercept ethu, ngiyayithola intercept, but now for its turning point there's no way esingavele sikwazi ukubona ngayo same time if given le form na turning point. So we are forced ukuthi fanele senze njani ke, fanele senze i distribution yayo le function. So f of x with equal to bani 3, fanele ufoile out lama brackets lawo. Lama brackets lawo mele uwafoile out, yabo. So la kuzobani kuzobu x squared plus x minus 2x minus 2 which is equal to 3 of x squared minus x minus 2 times the out 3x squared minus 3x minus 6. Okay, so nansi lokhuza ni equation yami, uyabo, kusayi f of x kusayi f of x. So mina ngifuna banike, ngifuna ukuthola i turning point. X value turning point will equal to minus b all over 2a minus b wami is going to be minus 3 all over 2 a uba it's still 3 now, intabo. And then la value ngizoyithola la bazokhanselana, la bethu positive, it's 1 over 2. And then y wami it's 3 x squared minus 3x minus 6. Shuthi y value yami kuzoba 3, ngifaka la ama values are 1 over 2 all squared minus 3 1 all over 2 minus 6. Sengiza kwi calculator yami, sengifaka ama values ami ngiwatholile. Okay, it's not 3, it's multiplier, no 1 all over 2 all squared minus 3 all over 2 minus 6. Ngizothola bani a very ugly fraction, minus 27 all over 4. So it's rounded off, it's minus 6 all over 75. Low, it's just 0.5. So coordinate turning point kuzoba 1 all over 2 negative 27 all over 4. Very ugly numbers, but you will just have to do. Sengizala ngiyadweba ke igraph yethu. Excellent. So bese ngitholile ukuthi ama intercepts ami ngizoba ne turning point ekubani 1 all over 2 negative 27 all over 4. Ngibe nani ngibe nama x intercepts oku 2 no negative 1 2 0 and negative 1 0. So uzawe graph yakho uzala uyawukala u2, sithena u2 la, so is 1 2, then negative 1 na x intercept. Turning point, it's gonna be on positive half, sithena la positive half. Oh no, it's positive half of x, positive half ngala, then negative 6.75. 1 2 3 4 5 6.75 around here. Lili point lilu bani, it's 1 all over 2 negative 27 all over 4. So we have our 3 points. by the way, y-intercept, look engivele besiqedile ifunction yethu, so negative 6 y-intercept yethu. So our y-intercept would be 0 and negative 6. Bengibalile 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it's gonna be here. Then I join. Yeah, and that would be igraph yethu. Nothing more, nothing less, guys. Ikhona nje lokhu kunje. Okay, let's say ke manje ke uzonikezwa ngale form le. Seni graph yakho, you're given f of x equals to x plus 2 all squared minus 4. X plus 2 all squared minus 4. So we want to sketch. Into yokuqala, I gave you ukuthi okay, le form le iyiphi? Bekuyile. Ukuthi f of x equals a x minus p all squared plus q, where p no q bekani ama coordinates ani a turning point no q. Ngithe negative la y because usoshintsha sign. Okay, so it's negative le number ezobila. So la already sengine turning point, it should be turning point yami uzokubani, it's negative 2 times bani no negative 4 kanje. It's nabo a wam u1 should a is greater than 0, it's positive. Should each shape graph yami izobamba kanjani? Fanele ime kanje, smiley face. Nabo, so ngiyathemba ukuthi sisanda honye. So imaphi manje ama points angishoda ngawo? Ngishoda ngama x intercepts. So nalana guys sihlangabezana with the same problem ekade sinayo ekuqaleni, where ayikho indlela yokuthi sibone. Ekuqaleni ngibingekho indlela yokuthi sibone ama turning point. La ayikho indlela yokuthi sibone ini ama x intercepts, yabo. So we have to factor out le brackets le. So f of x wakho will be lama brackets lawa njengoba uno squared la, shuthi uzoba uno x plus 2 x plus 2 minus 4 ngiyabo. And then masosenza ufoil wakho ufactorize noma ukuthi uyakwazi ukwenza le ndlela yoku square same times yonke into yenzeka, but if you foil i bracket lakho ukhiphela the same answer. Fanele ube no x squared plus 2 4x plus 4 ne x squared 4x yeah 570 kanje. Okay, from la it's a giveaway routine. Okay, for x intercept let's y equal to 0. Then I'll have go to 0 will equal to x squared plus 4x plus 4. Okay, I'm done with this. So I can just take ngathi 0 equal to ngivula ama brackets amabili, given no x 2 times 2 positive no positive ntawo yona ne 2 times 2 ngikhiphela u4, 2 plus 2 ngikhiphela u4, ochaza ukuthi u-x plus 2 x plus 2 must equal to 0, and then x will equal to negative 2. Ndawo zombili ke vele iyafana lento leni. So senginayo ini i-x intercept. Everything was correct ne? Oh no, yazi ngibona ukuthi ngempela we're gonna have a problem la. Listen, there's something engikhohlwe ukuyenza. Mistakes happen, guys. Please be very careful now. Uyabona la uthi phela ngenze yonke into ngakhohlwa ukusubtracta lo 4 nalo. Very big mistake. Very big mistake. Namhla le uthi ngisheshile ukuyibona. Yebo? Okay, cause phela le part le ikephi ila phela. So you have to be very careful, guys. Be very careful. So kahle lawo f of x ngabe it's x squared plus 4x. U4 minus 4 kwenza bani? U0. Should to x squared minus 4. X squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 4. Yeah, okay. So for for x-intercept, you let y equal to 0. Should to 0 equals x squared plus 4x kanje. Ngato 0 equals, keep a common factor ka x, x plus 4 la. Ngiyabo. Should to x will equal to 0 or x plus 4 equals to 0 and x equals to negative 4. Okay. Buka ke manje senginama x-intercept sengithi i-y-intercept izobani la y-intercept la buka. For y-intercept you let x equal 0 because y will equal to angithi bese kuzoba x squared plus 4x kanje. Shuthi y will equal to 0 plus 0 squared plus 4 times 0. Shuthi y wakho ubani 0. I-y-intercept yakho la shuthi ama-coordinates ayo 0 0. Yeah. Okay, ngicatha sinayo yonke into manje ne, so singadweba i-graph. La x-axis la i-y-axis ne. Okay, ibuka sifaka ama-points ethu. Y-intercept will be 0 0. X-intercepts, I'll also have x-intercept to 0 0. Ngiphinde ngibe nayo ku minus 4 and 0. So 1 2 3 4 nangu minus 4 nala. Okay, turning point was where? Turning point ngiyithole nje kuqala kunayo yonke into. It was minus 2 and minus 4. 1 2 3 4 la ku minus 2 minus 4 minus 2 minus 4. Lily point it's 0 0. Lily it's minus 4 and 0. So mase ngiconnecta igraph yami izoconnecta kanje. Yabo? And that's simply how you draw ilokhuzana sketch sakho. So let's just do one example just for control, just because we can. Senze le example le. Senoniwe ukuthi f of x equals negative x minus 4 all squared minus 6. Yabo? Yokuqala nje la oyibonayo shape u-a is less than 0. Chaza ukuthi graph yakhe izoba yini? Ayibo, nice. Set face. Injabo? You're given a turning point formula, so shuthi turning point yakho same time uzoyibona ukuthi ubani. Yamshintsha sign lo angithi shuthi positive 4 no negative 6. Yabo? Semele sithola ama-intercepts because it's so sketch. Angikwazi ukuthola ama-intercept graph yami kanje, so kumele ngishintshe i-equation. So ngizothi f of x will equal to negative so foil out layer bracket layer ngithi x minus 4 times x minus 4 minus 6. If we foil out lama bracket lawa fowethu uzothola ukuthi it's negative x squared minus 8x plus 16 minus 6. Then shoot to f of x wakho, it's negative x squared plus 8x minus 16 minus 6 finally. So I know negative x squared plus 8x minus 10. Yabo? Okay. Angiqale ngelo y-intercept, it's a giveaway la. Y-intercept izobani? Yabo? It says we constant term. Should ubani? Negative 10. Nama coordinates, it's gonna be 0 and negative 10. Because my coordinates low, melu x, low, melu y. Okay. So sengina ama coordinates lana ngithi. So manje into esekumele ngiyenzeke manje yini? Nginama ama coordinates y sengisele ne x intercept. Both kwenzakalani ku x intercept. So for x intercept you let y equal to 0, yabo? Okay, so I'm gonna have u to 0 will equal to negative x squared plus 8x minus 10, yabo? Then there's no aweke ama factors ka lo angangikhiphela lo, so should angikwazi ukwenza le ndlela ye lokhuzane yama brackets. Should kumele ngisebenzise ini quadratic formula. Ngizoba no x will equal to minus b plus minus square roots of 4 of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So substituting into the equation, you know, minus 8 plus minus square root sabanike, b squared is gonna be 8 squared minus 4 a1 negative 1 ac c1 negative 10 all over 2 a1 is negative 1. Okay, buka lana. Okay, mathiwa ngizama ukutimes out lama brackets lawo. Okay, lo vele uqondile. La ngino minus 1 times minus 10, yabo? Uchaza le answer le izoba positive times u negative ongaphandle ke manje sekungino negative times positive, yabo? Le number le kuzoba 40, u8 squared u56. Sibukeni. Mangifaka lento le ku calculator, ngifaka lama values la ku calculator. 64 njalo 8 squared nqas. So ngizoba nobanike manje kwi equation yami. Angifake wonke nje lama values lawo. Ngizoba four plus root 6 okuyinto ke cishe ifane bafowethu no 6,45. Ngiphinde ngibe nani imali plus negative 1 10 ngibe well, this will be x equals 4 minus root 6. Ungenzela bani it's the same thing as 1,55, yabo? Alright, so ama-x-intercepts lawo ne. So sengingadweba ini igraph. So sketching our graph, we substitute yonke into kahle. Minus 4a c all over 2a minus b plus minus. Okay, yeah, yonke into right. Ngokwe substitution yonke into right. Alright, sengasketcha. My turning point was ubani u4 no -6. 4 1 2 3 4 2 3 4 5 6. Izoba mamala i-turning point yami. Graph yami angiyidwebanga ke endaweni e-right. Senze kanje. Okay, sengicalculateile la ama-values ami. Turning point yami, igraph yami izoba yi-set face. Kunento ethize-ke la guys engangenzela isense, animene ngibo. Ngifuna ukuchecka i-factoring yami la uthi graph equation yami writing. So it's going to be x squared minus 8 plus 16 minus x squared plus 8 minus 6. Okay. Cha sengiyabona. Yazi ngibona njalo ukuthi there's a mistake. Ngibona la ukuthi ayijabo la i-turning point ethi kephi and igraph yethu kumele ibe yi-set face. Angeke izithinte sidala i-x-intercept. Uyabo? So kwenzeka kanjani le nto le? Ubona kanjalo futhi uma wenza ama-mistake. I think I was ama-mistake ama-cause ukuthi I'm rushing. Akhozwa nje ukuthi I am rushing. Nxeseni bandla. Asibuyeleni la. Nxeseni sasavele sahamba isidingo singekho. Alright. Okay. Should f of x wami will equal to negative x squared plus 8x. Minus 16 minus 6 is minus 22. Hayi phela ngabe sengilahle kakhulu ke manje. It's minus 22, yabo? Alright, so x intercept, you let y equal to 0, then 0 equal to negative x squared plus 8x minus 22, yabo? Then use quadratic formula. X is minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Substituting into a equation, total to minus 8 low plus minus square root sa 8 squared minus 4 a minus 1 c negative 22 all over 2 a wami negative 1. Buka lana. Lo uzoba 64 is 8 squared. And then okay, negative times negative uzongenzela positive. Should 22 times 4 izoba inamba enkulu kakhulu kunobani kuno 4. Should laphana uzoba ne square root se negative value. Yabo? Which is into engasoze yenzeka. So mathi uyamfaka lo kwi calculator yonke le number uyifaka i-calculator izokukhiphela ini, izokukhiphela math error. What does that imply? Lo nto le isitshela ukuthi we do not have x-intercepts. Yabo? Xa sizoba ne-y-intercept kuphela, ebe ubani futhi nayo iubani u-negative 22, ayiwona negative 6. Yabo? Shutha ama-points esinawo kahle for le graph le. Sinani? Sine turning point, which was given ekuqaleni nje vele. It's 4 and negative 6. Sibe ne y-intercept. Iubani y-intercept. It's going to be negative 22 and 0 and negative 22. Intiyabo? So suza la igraph yakho vele bese ngibhale kahle leli point leli. Le turning point. Na turning point yakho la. It's 4 negative 6, right? Yeah. And then the turning point yakho shuthi mele ehle lo ehlile. Yabo? Azafike mama la uzo estimate, yabo? And then the graph is shuthi izoma kanje. And then leli point leli, it's 0 negative 22. Yeah, na igraph yakho bafowethu izobe idweba kanje. Nciseni badlale ya mistake ish, human error iyenzeka. So this is how you sketch ke ama graph akho using le given information le, yabo? Starting from, if you're given in standard form, ngeke izishintshe guys, yolokhu nje. Up until you're given a turning point form, ngeke izishintshe guys, yolo inje. Up until you're given a turning point form, ngeke izishintshe, yolokhu inje nanje. And then we did the final example yayo futhi turning point form. So that will be all for ivideo namhlanje senza sketching se parabola. Stay tuned for my video alandelayo. Next video we will be doing ilokhuzana. How to get equation. How to get equation yayo ilokhuzana parabola le. So thank you so much for watching. Siyabonga uqhubeke futhi ubuke nevideo elandelayo. Like and subscribe lokho kuyangigqugquzela ukuthi ngiqhubeke ngenza ama video afana nawo lawa. So thank you for today. Siphinde sibonane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.